Did I share morning's video? I mean, my morning's your yesterday's video. Did I share with you?
No, you share the evening one.
Okay, I'm going to share now that video I shared first. This is the video I think I need to upload. Java video, that is .NET video. This is fine. Off and everything. So this was morning's one. We used here a master page and content pages we use with the help of that we could render it. Okay, now let us look at the other things. Like here we have a image map. Did you work with image map any time, Mansoor?
No, no,
So
no,
image
not
map is
yet.
basically something like this. You can have an image on the top of image. You can be having hotspots. You can have image on the top of the image. You can make hotspot. When you click on the hotspot, what happens exactly is it can show you the location or something. So it can have hotspots. You need to have based on the coordinates, x coordinate, y coordinate. Based on that, you can show a hotspot. So that is normally an image map we have. Let us work with the image map in this. Now new I create here a new page. It is here hotspot I make. Go to this one, then add a new item. This new item is here web form with hotspot. Uh, Web form with image map. Like this we take. You can say this as web form with image map. Click on OK here. So let me download some map first of all. Some sort of map is required here. So that map I should be downloading first. Suppose I take India map here. India map, download. So I download here India map first of all. Some map can be taken. That map I try to download from this. Take this here. This is the map of the India. It's political map we have. Okay. Some states map is required so that it looks better. Yeah, places like this we take. This can be better map. So I download this India political map, save image as this int map, put like this. name is going to be here, Ind map. Downloaded that. After that, I just copy that particular thing. This is a little bit means bottom. Can keep it bottom somewhere. That's better always. So India map it is. I copy this map and put in the images folder. We have here images folder. Into images folder, I can put this. Right now there is nothing in the image folder, but let me paste in the images folder here. Now India map has come here. So in the div now, I drag and drop the image map. So image map is set there like this. It's showing very small. Let me increase its size here. Like this, I set the image map. Then to this, I am going to map here whatever map I have that I want to put here. So first of all, I go to the image URL. The important property for this is here image URL. We take image URL, then we try to map the image URL from the images folder. Int map JPG file is available. Now click on OK. The map is coming up like this here. You can look at the map. See, since map is much bigger and your control is smaller, you are losing the clarity in that. If you make it smaller, probably it looks better for us. So if you make it smaller, therefore the map may be looking much better for us. This is somewhat better now. Let us render this in the browser. So it is coming up something like this here. It's coming up like this actually. Now, suppose our place is something like this. This is Andhra Pradesh, this is Karnataka, this is Tamil Nadu, this is Kerala, and this is Maharashtra. So these places, this is in the western India, these are going to be in the southern India. These are called as southern Indian states. So here suppose I move cursor over Andhra Pradesh, it should say Hyderabad. And if I move cursor over Karnataka, it should say it is as Bangalore. The capital city should be coming there. And when I move cursor over the Andhra Pradesh here, it should be showing Hyderabad as capital city. So like this, I must be making some hotspots. When I click on this, what should happen? It should go to some states. It should go to some kind of states page, state page. In that state page, it should print actually the state name as well as the capital city name. I have to get there. So therefore, let us create here hotspot for this.
Okay. Excuse me.
Yes.
The screen is showing here to me is just Visual Studio HTML. That's it. It's are you doing something on that?
Yes, I have drawn image. Is it somewhat slow for you internet? Probably for you internet is slow.
Oh, maybe. Okay. Okay.
That's the reason. So you are not getting it. Instantly you are not getting it.
Okay.
So that's the reason. So here this is, I have shared the screen also. That's why you could see the initial screen, the Visual Studio you could see.
Okay.
Can you check the speed of your computer, please? I mean internet.
Yes. Yeah, it's okay. It should be. It's fine. It's full. Its speed is and it's okay. It's not too slow, but yeah. I'm seeing your it's showing me but it's little late, but that's fine.
Okay. So let us stop here. One file also I'm uploading. Probably due to that, it may be taking little time. Just let us.
Okay.
It is about 85 MB file I am uploading. So simultaneously, it may be devoting its time to upload file.
Okay. Okay. That's fine. Go ahead. No problem.
So here, what you call, If I show, then you can see screen. In that case, you understand well. Otherwise, it's difficult actually. So let it be uploaded. No issue, no problem.
Okay.
It's taking time. It's over. Still more time to fight. Now, what screen you're seeing, Mansoor?
Right now, I'm seeing that Gmail Drive and your videos on the screen, and some videos uploading. I mean, it's in progress.
Okay, so it's showing that. That means latency you have. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, it will be finishing, I think.
Okay. Yeah.
Your resume has been prepared.
No, it start today this week.
Okay, start this
It
thing.
will start. I have a resume, but they prepared another one. So
Okay.
you know that how they works, right?
Yes, 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 I have idea.
Okay.
No, but you survive easily. There is no problem for you, Mansoor.
Sorry, what is that?
No, you can survive easily. No problem for you. Reason, you have the capacity to work. In fact, you work hard. That is what required.
Okay. Oh, thank you.
You see, the software development required thing is not too much intelligence. We need not be intelligent. We need not be. I mean, genius here. Required thing is hard working first of all, and seeing the problems in the right perspective. So, it is that itself is enough in my opinion.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, yeah.
So I have shared the video with you. Now it should be it should be shown to you instantly. Now what screen you are getting? Are you getting the India image now?
Yes, now it's fine.
Yes.
Yeah,
So that was with uploading. In fact, the problem was with uploading. So it
yeah.
took time, I think. Now here, when you look at this,
Okay.
India map is shown here. This is the place. This is called as here Andhra Pradesh, and this spot where mouse cursor is there. So this is called as Karnataka. Just below this one, you can find here a place called as Tamil Nadu, and below this one Kerala. So in Andhra Pradesh, you find one city called as Hyderabad. In Karnataka, you find a city named as Bangalore. Do you know about Bangalore?
Sorry, what's that?
Did you hear the city name Bangalore? Bangalore.
It's little small, but yeah, yeah, I think your mouse is over there, right?
No, no. Yes, yes, yes. This is Karnataka. It's Bangalore city. Bangalore city. They say. One more city is Madras and Chennai. This is.
Yeah, yeah, it's here. Yeah.
So,
I'm,
but I think it's not hard that much like Hyderabad city. So Hyderabad then Bangalore. Bangalore is having software companies. Most of the software companies is having Bangalore city.
yeah, it's Microsoft is also there.
Yes, even in Hyderabad, you have Microsoft, very big campus. Microsoft, then similarly Oracle Corporation, then Google. Google is coming. Google is setting up here very big center by investing some 1,000 crores this year. So in Hyderabad.
Oh,
So, but
oh, that's
Bangalore is export has so many software exports when compared with Hyderabad. It has got electronic city much bigger than Hyderabad, in fact, Bangalore city.
oh,
So from there, so
that's
many
nice.
software exports they take place from that. So now here,
Yeah, yeah.
when you move mouse pointer over the Andhra Pradesh, it should show you the capital city as Hyderabad, and when you move mouse pointer over Karnataka, it should be showing there Bangalore as capital city, and when we move mouse pointer over the Tamil Nadu, it should show Chennai as a capital city. So like this, for few things we can see here. Similarly, when we move mouse pointer over Maharashtra, it should show Mumbai. Then similarly, when you move mouse pointer over Rajasthan, it should show Jaipur. So like this, it should be showing for us the capital city names. So let us start with first here hotspot. Here you can have hotspots collection. Go with the hotspot here. So go with the hotspot here. But before that, what is height and width? It has we can see here. What is height and width for the image control? You can see in this. So height is 677 and width is 407. Like this you have here. 407 and 677. So when you take 677, approximately around 500, you can find this one here. Around 500 you can find this. Then similarly, it is about 407 means it's not even 200. 200 comes somewhere here. So therefore something like 150. 150 and 500, let us give and see what happens for us. Approximately we get not exactly in this. So take the image map, then first thing is going to be here. So first thing is 150, then other one is going to be for us here 500. Let us take 150 and 500, approximately try to set. Hotspots collection here. The hotspots can be for us, it is a circle hotspot, rectangle hotspot and polygon hotspot. In the case of circle hotspot, you need to take center point. Then using center point, you can give a radius with the help of that. In that circle area, it can be showing you the, it shows like link. X equal to, I take this as here. Say this will be here, something like 500. Instead of saying exactly 500, I put 550. Then followed by here, this will be, instead of saying say 150, I put something like here. Yeah, 150 I put here. Then the radius must be for this 50 radius I take. With 50, I like to show here. So alternate text I want to display here. The text is going to be here Hyderabad. I put like this Hyderabad here. So click on OK. Now when I render this to the browser, where Hyderabad comes, see here in this. Let us move here, cursor. It's not set properly, so it's not matching exactly where it
Yeah.
can be. It's not matching for us. Very small area, that is 50 pixels only we kept. Because of that, we could not see this one here. Alternate text we have taken. So somewhere it's going to be for us. Let us try to make this as something like 100. Instead of showing only small portion, let us make this as 100 here. So take this in the hotspot collection. Let us try to make this as here. So this, let us make this as here some 100 radius. We take 100 radius, with 100 radius, let us try to put, even this we make as here 500 instead of making 550. Let us make this here 550. Like this, let us see here. Now we need to show something should come. But nowhere is shown for us here. Nowhere you are getting this. Somewhere in this area only. You have to get probably somewhere at the top we get it. 500. So total 677. So since it is
Yeah.
677, but it should be showing for us like a hotspot. It's not coming up. I've taken like this
Put
axis
it little
here.
more bigger. Like put a radius a little bigger. I mean 200 or
Yes,
something.
I put
250.
200. Yes,
Yeah.
this I want
That's
to make as instead of saying 550, the x width is how much? X 550 setting is wrong. In fact, I've done something wrong in that. So x cannot be set that much. X should be here 150 and y should be 500 in this. So the thing what I did was wrong here, because of that we could not get. Now even if you put 100, this time it shows for us. I did something wrong.
okay. Yeah,
X is going to be width, Y is going to be height.
yeah,
Now you are getting here, see, you are getting
yeah,
Hyderabad. So even
yeah,
spanning this much,
yeah,
so we can
yeah.
reduce the size of it. The size can be
Okay.
reduced actually. So when we reduce size, you can get exactly in that. So
Okay.
here let us take the collection. From the collection, let us reduce the size here. So size instead of, I mean, you have 150x. Instead of having 150, we can make it 200. Similarly, 500 may be correct. Now I think in that case, you get exactly this one. So up to this is spanning for us. Since we have taken as radius 200, 100, it's spanning up to this area. That much area is taken from center point. It's taking. Now we reduce the, we reduce the radius. We'll try to make only something like 60. Then probably in that case, that looks little bit more clear. Okay. In this area now, when you move, you are getting.
Yeah. This side, yeah, other side.
So it's mapping
Down,
to some
down,
extent.
down.
Yes.
No, down, other side.
This side?
Up. No, up. This side. I mean, right side. Here.
Yes.
You see?
So,
There, Hyderabad.
this
Yes.
area, yes. Here also when you move mouse pointer, you are getting Hyderabad. So like this, it can show. This is called as basically hotspot. So like
Yeah,
this, you can
yeah,
make hotspot. Same thing you can do. Now you can see circular also. Like circular thing is
yeah,
coming for you. You can see a circle.
yeah.
When you keep for a longer period of time, you can get circular in this. You can see circular here. Something like circular is being marked here. When you keep it for a constant time, shows like circular for us. So it's showing like circular. For us, like this, it's spanning. So like this, you can find here this one. It's called as a hotspot. The size for this you can reduce further. Size can be reduced. You can increase little bit right side that one. So it is not even. It's not even say the height and width also we can reduce. But this is all actually trial and error. It's trial and error, that way we do it. X, how much we have taken? 200 we have taken. Instead of take 200, we can make something like here 170 we can take. And instead of taking this as 500, let us make something like here 450. Probably this gives you correct picture. More clarity you get with this now. Even the radius also, instead of taking 60, we can make something like here, this one as some 40 radius we can take, so that it is going to be mapping well. Now it has got more clarity. If you click like this, it's mapping like
Yeah.
this. This is having more clarity now when compared with the previous one.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
when
yeah.
you click on this, what should happen? It should go to some other. When you click on that link, what should happen? It should go to some other page. It should go to some other page. Let us create actually a page there. Okay, one more page. Let us create here. That can be, we make it as states. New item. This is a web form we make. This is nothing but here states. We make this as states.aspx. So we need to just pass the states. So as soon as you pass the state, automatically it should be displaying for us there. In the states, we have to get the capital city name. Just you need to pass state, you need to get the capital city in that. So for that purpose, we go to the states page here. We go to states page. In the states page, you can change it. Let us go to this user interface, and inside this, let us try to write the code. Click 2 times in this, or else we take here this one, open the CS page. And here let us declare an array list. We create here an array list. Using array list, we can make it. So we write here like this. We can write here this one. Array list we can make, but in the array list, okay. So we take like this here. First, here we take if condition, if request dot query string of, followed by here request dot query string of, this is state not equal to null. If this is not equal to null, if state is coming from there, so in such cases, if this is not equal to null, then in such cases we print the result here. So what we do here, we write if request dot query string of state dot toString equal to AP, then here we print capital as here Hyderabad. So here write response dot write capital city is Hyderabad, we can put here Hyderabad, we print this way here. So what is happening, as soon as you click on the link, it is going to come into this place here. So using a query string, we can be sending information to this page here now.
Yes.
Yes, we keep like this here. Now come to state.aspx, not here. This should be for us image map, and here when you take the image map control, go to properties. In this, we go with properties. In the properties, we can set this hotspot collection, navigate URL, postback value like this we have here. Navigate URL we take here. In the case of navigate URL, we can set like this. The place name is what here? States. states.aspx, click on OK, then followed by here we put a question mark, state equal to, this is exactly AP we put. We are going to put it as here AP. Like this, we can set this one. So to that particular page, now it can be getting navigated for us. When you render this, it's going to be navigating like that. So this is the place, when you click on this, it's coming into states.aspx question mark state equal to AP, like this you get. We are going to get this as here AP. In the same manner, even other thing also you can get. State is AP, capital city is Hyderabad, it's showing like this here for us, the message there. It's going to show message like that. Even it can be done in the other way. Other way in the sense, you have here Hyderabad, then this is what Karnataka city, Karnataka. So we may keep Karnataka it as, then in that case also you have to get it. So for this hotspot, what we have taken, approximately how much we have taken in this, this is going to be 170 and 450 we have taken. 170 is x coordinate, 450 is y coordinate, then 170 minus 40 is going to be 130. We have taken as 130. So 130 minus what we do, further we take 130 minus 40, 90 we can take with 90. Let us try to try. X is going to be 90, whereas y is going to be 450. Not 450, we can take some 470 or 480 we take, with that we try there. Another hotspot we create, it's going to be here 90 and this is going to be here 450 we have taken there, some 480 we take in this. So 40, then this is 90 and other thing is going to be here. How much we take? That is going to be for us, that's going to be 480 we take. So this is here in the place of x, how much we have there? 90, then this is 480. We take 90 and 480, like that we try to do it here.
Okay.
So x is 90, then this is 480 we put here. The y coordinate is going to be 480. Then here, this will be, radius is going to be for us, again 40 we take here. This one is also 40 and alternate text is what here. This is going to be here, Bangalore for us. We put like Bangalore here, then like this we can make it. Bangalore is the city name, we keep here. Then similarly, here we can use the URL. Even for this also you can be using your navigate URL, you can write it. Again you can pick here the state. States you can take here, click on OK, then followed by question mark, state equal to, we put it as KA. Karnataka we put like this. So KA I am keeping like that. So whenever we come into states.aspx.cs, here we can take. Else if, again we take here. Then if this is going to be, say, KA, so we put it as here, Bangalore. Like this, we can set it. We are going to set it as Bangalore. Now come to this form here. From here, let us try to go there. View in browser. Then followed by here in this, we move mouse pointer over it. It's showing like this now. Bangalore is shown for us here now. It's showing Bangalore like this. This is showing Hyderabad, but this area is showing for us Bangalore. When you click on this, it goes into the other page there. It's saying Karnataka, then capital city is Bangalore. Like this, you can go there. So we created here total 2 hotspots. Like this, on the entire image, you can be making the hotspots. Then with the help of that, you can be navigating to another pages. You can put hotspots here. So when you click on the hotspot, you can be jumping into another page. But this people don't use much. People do not use much. So it's a funny feature, I can say. Not much useful feature.
Okay.
Now similarly, one more kind of control is available for us, that's called as a wizard control. We have a wizard control. So using wizard control, normally when do we use wizards, Mansoor?
Yeah.
Now when do we use wizard controls?
Wizard, when we install something and we use something like one step, then second step, then third step.
Yes,
so
in such cases you can use wizard. Here also you have wizard control. With the help of that, step by step you can do things.
Yeah.
So systematically, step by step, we can be doing. Here also we have a wizard control. So using wizard control systematically you can be doing. Have you done anything to the wizard control here in this?
No, no.
So let us see the wizard control here. Let me make here one wizard. Click on this, then go with this, add here new item. This we call as wizard page. Wizard page.aspx, like this we put it. So here in this, suppose you are taking some employee particulars, okay, or you take an employee, you take a job seeker information. So job seeker information you have to take here. On the top we put here like this. This will be H1 followed by job seeker. Job seeker details. So we take here, this we make as job seeker details here. Followed by, I want to put some space here. Then style equal to, here I want to put this as style equal to, then margin, padding bottom, I put here. Padding bottom, after this, I want to use certain space, 30 px I use. So that way I try to provide certain space here. I'm providing certain space there. Then in the source, I want to keep now. In the div tag, I can be keeping it. So what I keep in the div tag here is, click on this toolbox. In the toolbox, we can go with the wizard control. Take the wizard control. So by default, it's showing you two different steps in this. The wizard control, we can increase its size here. The size can be increased for this. Okay, you have different parts in this wizard. This part is one, this part is one, like this. Even you can use the styles here. So we can have here, so styles, auto format we can take. Using auto format, we can make it colorful, professional, in whatever manner you want to put, you can put it. Classic, simple, or remove formatting, it is colorful, like this, you can use it. In whatever manner you want to put, it can be put. We can take this simple wizard here, try to keep it. This way we can be making it. Right now there are two steps in this. Even here this part you can increase. So you can increase this part also. Go to properties here. You have wizard. Okay, wizards steps you have here. Similarly, you have here sidebar button style, sidebar style. So like this you have here step style. All this information you can put in this. So step style is taken here. Certain CSS class you can be applying for this. Let us try to use a different color in this. Try to use some kind of yellow color in this. Click on OK. Now what is happening here? The step style is getting changed for us. It is getting changed. Even border width also you can do. Even you can increase the size for this. This is exactly what border style is solid here. Border width is 2px. And as far as these steps are concerned, for steps also you can be setting it. Come to this point here. Come to the steps in this. You can take steps. The steps also can be here modified. So where is that exactly? Step next button, step next type here. So step we require here. Okay. Sidebar style you have here. That's called a sidebar. So sidebar color you can set back color, then border style you can put, border width you can set. All these you can be setting in this. Back color you can take for this. You apply different back color here. Total white we can take. We can apply the white. Now green disappears. So for sidebar style it's coming like this. Now let us put back into a color something like this here. Let us put that kind of color in that. This empty area whatever you have here. So this must be getting changed for us. Sidebar style we have taken. Then styles also we have here. Sidebar button style. Sidebar style we have taken. Sidebar button style we have in this. I think sidebar button style I have taken. Due to that I got that problem there. Okay, sidebar button style if I take, it's giving like this. Sidebar style this is. So the background color I want to change here this color it is right now. You can take white, apply the white. White is getting applied there for us. Even the width for this we need to increase or decrease it. We need to decrease here the width for this. Let us try to decrease the width. Okay, sidebar width we need to decrease it. Somewhere you have the sidebar width. Okay. We don't require that much width for the sidebar. Let us try to, is it possible to increase the width or not? We need to see here. So we take this sidebar width, probably we can increase it. Okay. Styles, finish, navigation button style, navigation style, sidebar button style, styles only it's giving for us here. So there is no provision to put the header style is available here as far as header style is concerned. Okay, sidebar style, what it shows for us, it is white, border color, border style is given, CSS class, font is given here, like this it's giving here. Width we require, we should be reducing the width for it. Okay, somewhere you find here without steps. If you take here, step 1 we have here, step 2 also we have here, step 1, step 2, step 3 also can be added, more and more steps can be added here. Go with the add, step 3 this is, we can name it as here step 3. Without step you have here, this can be changed as step 3 in this. That we can call as here step 3 in fact, or else remove it, go to this here, remove that, you click on this. So this is okay, add here, followed by we should put the text for it. Title you can put this as here step 3. One more we can put here, step 4 we can put for this. Step 4 also we can use, like this we set the 4 different steps. So whenever you run this here, we can be going from one step to another step in this. You can click on step 1, then step 2, you can come to step 3, then one more thing is step 4 here. So when you click on finish, it gets finished. This is the last one. If you come to previous, like this you can be jumping to the previous positions. You say next, like this it is actually changing for us. So this way it is going to be changing for us here. So this is called as basically wizard. In this wizard you can be setting the required thing. Let us go into step 1. In the step 1 let us change in this one. If you come to wizard steps collection, here let us take the step 1. If we take step 1 here, step type is auto is given, return this is, so miscellaneous can we take, nothing is given as information, no information is given for us, here it should be getting changed for us. The step 1 if we take, it's not providing any feature for us to change the style for us in this. Source we take, in the source, step 1 we have here, step 1, step 2 we have taken, step 3 also we are taking this one here. ID is coming like that. Then here we take the style, anything like width do we have here, there is no width here. Then try to put a style here. Let us kept the style. Try to put the width in this. Width let us put only some 100 px, not more than 100. Try to put only 100 px in that. After that see the design here. So this cannot be kept. So if you try to put the width here, it is not taking. For the which one? For this, it is not taking here. Okay. We want to decrease the size for this. Okay, properties if I take wizard 1, ID is wizard 1 here, that is okay. Sidebar style we have taken, sidebar button style. So it is showing styles, but header style if we take, not much in this, we don't have anything here. So step style also we take here, back color we are taking border color, but we require in this, okay, sidebar style only we take here. CSS clause let us try to put here. Let us take CSS clause. By clicking on the CSS clause here, it should show for us class name only we can put here. You cannot set any style from here. We should use some CSS class. That class only you have to apply here in this. Go to CSS class and try to set certain style here. Style. This is type equal to text object CSS. We put like this. Followed by in this we set the style here. I put like sidebar dot sidebar, put like this here, and inside this like to set the width. Just want to put certain width here. Inside this width put it as 100 px. Like this we make it. Let me put the sidebar style in this. Come to this, then here I would like to apply the style. So sidebar if we take the sidebar style, here we can apply background color we have taken. The CSS clause let me take from here. CSS clause is here. Automatically should come for us, but it's not shown. This is what exactly sidebar it is. Come to design here. Let us keep it as here sidebar. Let us put sidebar. After that, it's reducing now. The size can be reduced now in this. Seeing here, Mansoor?
Yeah, I'm looking. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
like this, you need to configure a little bit. But here now, whatever content you want to put, you can put here. Whatever content you would like to put in this area, you can put it. Then step one you can change here. Select this. In the step one, you can put some information here. Go to collection. So in this, we have different steps. For step one, you can change the title. Title can be changed as here. This one, personal details. Put like this. And in the case of step two, we can put it as here, educational qualifications. In the step 3, when you come to step 3 here, in this, we take step 3, then we have here certifications. The next thing is going to be here, step 4, then this is here, experience. Like this, we can be taking information related to job seeker. So total we have 5 different types of things in this. One is what? Personal details. The second thing is going to be here qualifications. Third one is certifications. Fourth one is going to be experience. So when you click on appropriate thing, it's going to take you to that particular thing. Now render again this one in browser. When you click on personal details, you get one. Qualifications you take, you come into second one. Certifications you take, you come into that. There is experience. Like this you are going to show. Here you can put the required details. Whatever details they are, you can put them in that.
Okay.
Go to the source, and in the source, in the wizard, you can be in the wizard step. You have here the personal details. Within this, you can be having here the sidebar we have kept there. Then other thing is going to be what for us. Here it is wizard step. Here you can put the content in fact. Okay, once again come to design part. Here in this you should put some kind of text. For this alignment also we have to take. This is exactly what this is going to be for us. Select this. So now in this, here it is. Styles we have taken, sidebar, then navigation style, header style, then step style we have taken here in this. Step style we have taken. The alignment part we should take in this. CSS class text align on the top we have to take. So we have to take here text alignment on the top for us. Go with this, then define one more right here. Dot alignment. Alignment we put here. Then followed by here we write text alignment. Text align. We make this as here left. Then followed by text margin we take here. Take text margin or just margin left we take here. Margin left. Margin left. Put it as some 20 px. Like this we can be setting it. Now dot alignment we try to put in the CSS part. So come to this. Then try to here in this we set it. Header style, then navigation button style, navigation style, sidebar, then step we have here. We can go to step style. In this we can change it. The CSS class is going to be here. In the source what is kept? Alignment. Put this as here alignment. CSS class is going to be alignment for us. After that, try to put some text in this area. Where they keep alignment? Is it not here? So CSS class is going to be alignment for us. Back color, let us change here. What do we get? See, then in that case it can be correct. So like this is fine. Now here we can change it. The text we can put inside this now. Try to type some text. This is sample. This is put as here personal details. When it comes to qualifications, this is qualifications we put. This is qualifications. In the same way, we go with the certifications. This is certifications we put here. In the same way, when it comes to experience, this is experience we put like that. This is experience tab. Like this we set it. Now when you run this, you can go from one page to another page, but here the alignment is not coming up for us properly, so we have to take the alignment for this. Click on the qualifications, then click on certifications, click on the experience. Like this you get it. In the last page you have here, in the first page you have only next. When you come to the second page, it's going to contain here previous and next. When you come to again next page, it shows previous and next. But when you come to the last tab, in that you have previous and finish. So like this, it has the steps for us. In the last step, you have previous and finish. In the first step, you have only next. Okay, but when you come to in the middle steps, in the qualifications, you have previous and next. In the certifications, you have previous and next. So like this, the wizard control is shown for us here. It's nothing but wizard control. Like this, wizard control is showing here details for us.
Okay.
So here, whatever you want to make, you can put some text. You can put, then you can save in the database. All this you can do with the help of the wizard control.
Okay, that's nice.
So if you look into toolbox, so these are the controls normally we use. We use these controls. And apart from that, you have localize, globalize also. With the help of localize, what you can do, you can display same text in different languages. Tomorrow morning, my morning time, I demonstrate that particular thing. Even others also can see. Now come to the other controls here. Let us look into Ajax part. Ajax, here we have Ajax extensions. Ajax stands for Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. Normally, whenever you want to change some content here, you have to post back all the way the data to server. From the current web page to the server, you have to send data. That's called as posting back. You normally post back data to server, correct? So instead of sending entire data to server, you can partially send. That is called as basically asynchronous JavaScript and postback mechanism, or we can say it as partial postback. Partially data can be sent, and partial postback we can achieve with the help of the AJAX. AJAX stands for asynchronous JavaScript and XML. So using AJAX, you can be partially submitting data to server. You can submit data to server partially. That is called as partial postback. Partially you can be posting back the data to server. So that's called as partial postback. It's called partial postback. Partially you can be sending data to server. So let us try to do how AJAX is going to be working with us.
Okay.
In the case of AJAX, the required things for us are script manager, then followed by here update panel. We have script manager and update panel. These are going to be important. Wherever you want to implement AJAX, in that you have to first of all drag and drop script manager. Then you require update panel. Whatever content you want to update, I mean without sending entire data back to server, partial postback we want to achieve, you have to put in the update panel. So in the update panel, you have to put that. Then with the help of that, it can be getting updated for us. Let me demonstrate a clock with the help of the update panel as well as here AJAX extension C.
Okay.
So take this, then here let me add a new item. This is called as AJAX page. I call this as here AJAX page. I'm trying to make here AJAX part. So here you design this, then into this you can drag and drop. Into the form you can be dragging and drop. That should be first of all script manager control. This you need to drag and drop here. We kept here script manager, it's coming up. Then in the div tag we put here update panel. We put the update panel. Now within the update panel you can be setting the required controls. So here take this as content template. In the content template you should be setting the required data. In the content template we put the required data. Here I want to display some time. Time I would like to display here. Continuously time must be changing for us. The time has to be changing for us continuously. So therefore, here what I do, I can put a label control first of all. I take a label control, then I put the label control here in this. Use a label. In the label, it should be changing for me. Put it as here LBL time. LBL time I want to put here, and initially there is no text. No text is available. I can just remove the text in this. I can put like this here, but here data can be, set whenever page is getting loaded, automatically it should get here the required, this is AJAX page. So it should be initially giving us some data, so that we can do with the help of the server side coding. Open the AJAX page.aspx.cs. Here we can set it. LBL time dot text equal to, here we take this as we can put this as here datetime dot now dot in this toString. We take this one here, followed by put here HH:MM:SS. Like this we put the data in the hour, minutes and seconds format. Okay, then similarly in the this we kept in the content template. Followed by here a timer is available for us. If you look at the AJAX extensions, we have a timer in this. There should be timer. Let us drag and drop a timer into this. Let us drag and drop a timer. With the help of timer, now we try to display. Go to this one, then take the timer here. With timer we can do. Look at the properties of timer here. So timer has an interval of 60,000 here, but we put 10,000 milliseconds. It's having here 1000 milliseconds. Then you can go to events. The events you can change here. Tick event. With the help of tick event, we can be changing it. So I ticks, you can put this one LBL this equal to, take this and try to put in the timer event here. So HH:MM:SS, like this we are going to be setting it. So this is exactly what AJAX page.aspx. Timer one tick event, then this must be enabled. We need to enable the timer here. We need to enable the timer. So enable the timer in this. These are going to be different events associated. Come to the properties. Enabled equal to true this is. Like this now, we have the timer. Let us try to, run this in the browser. What is happening for us there? It's showing you the time. 4:30, 6:30, 14, like that time is shown for us.
Okay.
Normally to show time, what is required? Every time you have to send to server. You have to send back to server with the timer can be displayed for us. Correct?
Yeah, that's right. And it's updating.
It's
Keep
updating
updating.
itself. So once for
Yeah.
every 1 second, it's updating for us. With the help of the Ajax, we are using it. It's called as
Uh,
postback, Ajax it is. So it's not getting refreshed here. It's not getting refreshed. See, in contrast to this, I take a button here. With button, what happens? See, I take a button inside this. I just take outside the update panel. I put a button here. Using button, I want to update some time there. So I can take here a button control. I click on the button. When I click on the button, it can be changing there. Take this text equal to change time. Change time like this. We get here BTN time. I write like this. This is called as here BTN time. Okay. To the right side of this label, I want to put one more label control here. Put ASP colon the label here, this one ID equal to, put it as here LBL new, I put like this here. Then run it equal to server attribute, I put run it equal to server. Then similarly here text equal to it's empty, like this I put. Then I close the tag, like this I am closing the tag. So whenever it is actually the button control, when I click on this button control, it should change here. What it says, ASP label. We have that. What's the problem in this? Okay. Fine.
label.
No, it should not be part of the update panel. It should be
Oh,
outside
okay.
the update panel. We need to put it. No error with that. Come
Yeah.
to this one here. Click on the design. Then click on this change time here. When we change time here, LBL new, I take here the dot text equal to, I assign like this here. This equal to date time dot. Now dot to string we use here, followed by here HH colon MM colon SS, like this I can set it. This way you can set it. And similarly here also what I do, LBL new, then dot text equal to, we assign like this. Datetime dot now dot to string this is here. Then inside this we put HH colon MM colon SS, like this we can be setting it. We set in this way. Let us try to run this. What happens? See here in this. So on the top it is changing, but in the bottom it's not changing. If you click on this change time, page refresh you can see. This is the flickering here. What is happening? The flickering you can see with this. Are you seeing
Yeah.
also flickering? So, but for the first one it's not changing like that. No flickering is taking place. So partial postback is taking place for the first one, but this also getting changed when you click on the button. So this is called as changing value using postback. But the first one is what? Partial postback. Entire page is not submitted back to server. So using Ajax, we are doing it there.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
So like that, it's working for us. Similarly, we can use here one more type of thing also. What I do here in this, okay. So here I want to put some ASP, then colon, label again I put here, ID equal to this one, LBL number, put like this here. Run it equal to server, I put like this, run it equal to server here. then followed by text equal to, I put empty. Like this I can take it. So this way I am setting label here. We discuss later on about it. This cannot be much useful now. So what should happen with this now? I want to use here button control. When we click on the button control, it should be getting updated. This post, this text must be getting updated. So therefore, I use here a button control. ASP colon, then button. This is here. ID equal to, this is BTN increment. BTN INC I put here. Then text equal to increment. Increment we have here. Next, followed by in this, run it equal to server we put. Run it equal to server we can keep. With the help of this we are going to be incrementing it. This way we kept a button control. You can see here BTN increment we are getting. So here value must be getting incremented for us. Initially what value we have taken? LBL. So we need to set even that particular thing. LBL followed by number equal to, number dot text equal to, here it is. We put it as here 0. Value 0 we try to set. But as we click on this, it should be changing value by 1 every time. It has to increment for us. You say increment. Now here it should be changing. We take here, therefore int now m equal to, first of all we should retrieve existing value. This is what int.parse. int.parse we take, followed by here it is LBL number dot text we use. We try to parse it to integer, then write here n++. After that we set it, this one LBL number dot text equal to, write it as here n.toString. Like this we can convert to string and we can set there. Like this we can be taking data here. Now try to run this. So increment when I say changes. But after that it's not changing here. Increment is not changing after that. First time it's changing, but subsequently it's not changing there. Why it is so? N++ we have taken, n.toString also we are taking here, n is getting incremented here. The incremented value must be coming in that, but it's not happening there. BTN INC click is not working properly for us in that. First time it's getting incremented, but subsequently it's not incrementing for us there. It's unable to increment there. What's the reason we have to see? On click equal to BTN INC click we have written. So whenever we come into this piece of code, int n equal to int.parse lbl number.txt we have there. Then n++ also we kept there. Initially that is taking 0. So after that, every time we convert n into string, then we try to put the string there. We are assigning there. Okay, what can be the reason? Keep a breakpoint and try to see here in this. Insert breakpoint and try to execute this. For this purpose, we must make this as the start page. Start running this. Okay, when I click on increment, now what happens in this? Fine, I think I did not keep breakpoint in that. When you click on increment, it's coming here, press F10. Now n equal to how much we got? We should get 0. N++ n value is how much for us? 1. then toString we kept it. The page is coming like this, 0 only still. Yes. Reason is this btn get I keep, is it part of the postback? So here we are setting all these things, cannot be like this. We need to write this as here in this. If not, is post back. If it's not post back, then in such cases we should put it. If it's not post back, then try to use this. Otherwise, go with the post back. Go with the post back. Otherwise, now render this one. It can work properly for us. Increment. Now it increments.
Yeah.
So because of post back, every time things are getting changed for us. So now everything is working in a proper manner for us here, and page is not getting refreshed. But when you click on this, definitely page is getting refreshed for us there. Entire page is getting refreshed for us there. Okay, but when you click on this, it's going to change these things. So like this is called as here Ajax, asynchronous JavaScript and XML. With the help of that, we could do this here. Seeing also, these are the controls we use in the Ajax, asynchronous JavaScript and XML.
This Ajax control we use for the video streaming, right? It's better to see the video.
No, not for video streaming. Video streaming, these are not useful actually. You require something like Silverlight, or you require Adobe Flash Player is required to stream video or to stream audio.
Oh, okay, okay.
Because the video may be coming, but how to show that and how to show that in the web page? Because web page does not have any control. In the case of Windows, you have window player. Okay, but as far as internet is concerned here, you don't have any player. The player should be working with all the browsers. So Adobe Flash is going to be the right now available. FLV is required. With the help of FLV, we can be playing it.
Okay, okay, okay.
So that's required. But future is changing actually. In the future, WebM is going to be a new format which is emerging. With the help of the WebRTC, they can be done. Using WebRTC, we can be doing the required things.
Okay.
So this is basically something related to Ajax kind of thing. Tomorrow we look into these things, data list, data pager, all these we are going to look tomorrow because for them also it's useful. So you catch easily since you do with the web pages so much, you can grasp these things here right now what we discussed. But this part is going to be important even for them. So tomorrow by morning time we are going to do with this.
Okay. One more thing, you know that how to transfer file from Notepad to XML, like a plain Notepad file, like plain I have a text, so I convert into the XML. You know how to do that?
No, Notepad cannot be converted to XML. How? Because in the Notepad, can you show me the file? I make you presenter to show me what is your requirement exactly.
Yeah, I will show you. Yeah. I I check on the Google and I try that. So I try. They convert it for me, but it's not the right format. That's
show your requirements. I'm making presenter.
Yeah. So you see that my desktop?
Now I made you. I made you presenter.
Yeah. Are you seeing my desktop?
Yes, I'm seeing now.
Okay. For example, I just see that, for example, I have a province.
Yes.
Right. These are the province I have. Yes. So this is I want to convert into XML file, and then I like to go here in the project, and I attach with here some in the all the province drop down list. You got it?
Yes.
For example,
why can't you take text file straight away? Why can't you take text file and why can't you put it into drop down list? Why you require XML file?
Because it's XML file is a data file, and I can't do plain. This is a plain file.
So therefore, you need to convert manually. You don't have any tool. Automatically, it can't convert. You try to make XML this one. XML file, you can make this.
God. I converted, but it's very okay. I will show you.
No,
For example,
that conversion does not work properly. If you take that, because just show me what you converted.
okay, 1 second. I convert here. Put user text. No, no user, not user text. 1 second. I converted books. Sorry. 1 second. I will show you. This is error. No, this is videos. Give me 1 second. I converted yesterday. I mean, day before yesterday, and it's sorry, it's. I put it somewhere here. 1 second. Yeah, this is. No, sorry, not that one. So not this one as well. I converted just.
Somewhere you have province some.
I put it here. I put all the same. I mean, in the folder.
Okay.
But I can't find. I will check 1 second. Yeah, I think 1 second. This is no, not this one as well. No, not this one as well. So I will check where I put it. But I convert it like I have districts, yes. I have a province,
yes.
And I have a cities.
Okay.
So what I do, I want to be drop down. I put these like this one. Did you know all these districts is lot of districts? So
yes.
So this one I just put like I put first province, okay. And then drop down. I select the province and it comes about the district. Then I select the districts. Is come about the cities.
Yes, so, I understood that. I understood actually. You have a province. In the province you have districts. In the districts you have cities. I understood
yes.
that. So it should be like that.
Yeah, but this one, if
yes,
yeah, but if it is not converted into XML, I can't attach with that. For example, I will here. I am here.
Yes.
And I will show you like what is called. It's 1 second. This one here. For example, I am here, yes. And I attach with that. You see that the province here?
Yes.
So province, I have data source, right? So
yes.
If an XML file, I can attach the XML file here.
Yes, correct. You can attach XML
yeah.
file.
Yes, but if the XML file is not here, then yes. I can't attach with the
That's
notepad.
What I'm saying. You create an XML file provinces. You create an XML file again for districts of each province, and again you take cities for each actually the cities file for each district you need to make. Like that you have to make. Otherwise, you must be making actually something like an XML. So just open the notepad. I tell how to make it. Just start XML there. Go to the notepad. Just start notepad. No, start a new file. So here put first of all less than symbol provinces. Provinces.
You mean like
less than symbol provinces. Provinces. So don't make uppercase. Everything put in the lowercase. Provinces. VINCES. Yes. Close it. Okay. So you put the closing tag also. Instead of that, you open the Visual Studio. There itself you can make that better. From Visual Studio itself you can make the required file. Okay, start here, right click and say create an XML file. Yes. New item, correct, new item. So here, try to choose now. Say it as, instead of saying XML file, provinces you say. Provinces. or cities you put, not provinces, put cities. Cities is more appropriate because ultimately you are nailing down to cities data. So write cities.xml. Click on add. It is putting you for header. That's fine. In the next line write provinces, less than provinces. Okay, provinces you can put, close the XML tag there. Press inside that you put province now, put a province, less than symbol. It's a tag again inside that.
Okay.
Province you put, no capital, everything you take small only.
Oh, sorry, yeah.
Less than symbol, province. Put the closing tag also for that. Under the province put closing tag. Less than you put close, less than. No, the tag you must close. Yes, slash province here. Third option you take. Okay, now inside the province, press enter key. Then go with the here district. Less than district you take.
Here?
Yes, less than district. Okay, close the district there. Then inside that you put a city. So first of all, you can put a name of the district. District you put there. Say district name also you must keep there. So within the district, first of all, put a name there. Go to the district, put a name first of all in that.
District here?
District attribute you take. So after district, give a space. After district, you give a space. Before the closing, before the tag closing. After district, you put a space.
Yeah.
No, not after the greater than symbol. Before greater than symbol, you have to put it. No, not there. See, after province, you have a district on the top.
Yeah.
So after district, you put a space.
Yeah,
Not
I did.
that. No, not there. You have a less than symbol. Greater than symbol you have. Within the tag itself. Within the tag, not there. After district.
Yeah.
There you give space. Not there. No. Before the greater than symbol, I am saying.
Okay. Here.
Right. So give a space. Then write here name equal to. In the double quotes, you put the name of the district. You put the district name. Okay, Jhelum. This is fine. Now take the city. So one city name you try to put here. City name equal to. No, city you take name equal to you write in that. City you put there already. Name equal to. Give a space. Then write name equal to. What is the city name?
City.
Some city name you can put.
Okay, I put yeah. City name also Jhelum.
Okay, Jhelum. Fine. So there itself you close the tag there. After that you put the slash. The closing there itself. Give a space. After that, give a space now. Put slash. Close the tag there itself. No, other slash you have to put, not that slash.
Yes, sorry.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now once again create one more city. Another city you pick under that district. Remove the closing tag we remove first. City closing tag we remove. No. Here you have closing tag city. You remove that. So in the same manner, try to create the city there. Yes. The closing one you remove. It gives error.
This one?
Delete that. It's not required now. Yes,
okay.
The closing there itself. Put next city name. Okay. Even from province also you must put a name. You take province, after province you put a name there. What's the name of province here?
Punjab.
Punjab you put. Okay. You put one more district. One more city you put. Like this number of cities you try to put.
Okay.
I think Jhelum is the river.
Yeah, but Jhelum is the city as well.
So is it on the banks of the Jhelum river?
That's right.
Okay. Where is Ravi city?
Which one?
Ravi, R-A-V-I.
Ravi is the bank of Lahore.
Hyderabad.
Lahore.
Okay, Lahore, that is.
Yes.
Some time back, there was a cricketer called as Ravi Shastri.
Yeah.
So he was playing in Pakistan. So in the, in that particular I think Lahore city, he made a century, something like that.
Yeah.
So there is
Yeah.
in newspaper Indian Express, they have written that Ravi shines on the banks of Ravi. They have written. So Ravi meaning is it is actually sun. Sun name is Ravi.
Yeah.
So they gave a name like Ravi shines on the banks of Ravi.
Oh, okay.
See, on the banks of river normally you can see sunshine, correct?
Yeah.
So that way they made it.
Oh, okay.
And in Australia, a few years before, what happened? There was a cricketer called as Alan Lamb. So Alan Lamb, what actually he was playing nicely against Pakistan. He was playing. So he was hitting sixers, fours like anything actually. But he was actually worsted after making some 81 runs. Imran Khan actually worsted him. So
Oh, okay.
at the no, only the Lamb cricketer he was actually playing well. Others they were just they could not play well. The next day in the Indian Express they were writing that Lamb feeds before slaughter
Oh, okay.
because he was fed up. He was fed actually so much, but ultimately he was
Yeah.
spotted.
Yeah. Okay. So you like cricket?
I sometimes I used to like, but not these days much.
Oh, okay. Okay, I put it.
This is only one district you put, one city you put actually. Okay, now go to another district. One more district you make. Under one province, first of all, under Punjab province, you get one district. Like that, create one more district.
Okay.
No, not
Okay.
there. It's not that. It's next after that. That
Okay.
district is getting closed. The which district? Jiram is getting closed here. After Jiram, you have to put now. No, not there. How the hierarchy is see? Just delete that. Delete that. Now what is happening? So this district Jiram that is getting ended. There is a closing time for the district. After
Yeah.
press enter key, start another district now. Less than district again. Yes, it's not Jiram. You have to put different one now. This time under Punjab.
Yes.
Okay.
Indeed.
Now close the district tag here. Close the district tag. In that try to put cities. Yes. Now try to make under Pindi the particular districts again. Taxila University, that is famous university.
Which one?
This Taxila University
Yeah, Taxila is near to Pindi.
is very old university. I think very old university.
Yeah, very old. Yes, that's right. It's a Buddh. You know the Buddha?
Yes.
Buddhas?
Yes.
There's a lot of statues. A lot of statues there.
Okay. Even in Afghanistan, I think they had so many statues.
Yeah, but in Pakistan, in Taxila, there's a lot of statues here.
Okay.
In Taxila.
So what are the other religions you have in Pakistan apart from Islamic religion? What are the other religions you have in Pakistan?
Is a Christian is the second one.
Yes.
Third one is the Hindu.
Hindu. Yes.
Yeah, and fourth one is you know that the Ahmadis.
Okay. Ahmadis.
Yeah, Ahmadis, and the other is Sikhism.
Yes. Sikhism.
Yeah, so that's
But Sikhism is part of Hinduism sometime back.
yeah, that's right.
And what about the festivals and all? How do they celebrate? Do you find too many temples in Pakistan in different places? Hinduism, Hindu-related temples and churches. Do you find plenty there?
Yeah, I find in Lahore there's a lot.
Okay.
In Lahore, there's a lot of temples for Hindus
Okay.
and for Sikh.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, lot. There's a lot. Yeah. Okay, that's okay.
How many you created? 2 districts you
But
created?
yes, two
Okay.
districts.
Then create one more province.
Okay, province.
Yes.
So province after the province you
Yes,
had
yes.
closed, right?
Yes. Next province you have to create. How is Michigan when compared with Canada?
Sorry?
How is Michigan state, the place where you stay now? How it is?
It's good. It's good. Yeah. So it's not too bad. So it's good. Yeah. So because I'm not familiar with US too much because this is my second trip in US.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not much familiar with this. So yeah. So yeah, first time I came here, then this is my second trip. So.
Once I want to visit actually the entire world.
Okay.
See places
Yeah.
like Asian places I would like to see more and more.
Okay.
Want to visit Bhutan, then want to visit Pakistan if possible. Then similarly want to visit this Turkey actually. Turkey
Yeah.
is I think in Europe, but Turkey is famous I think, famous city. There are so many things actually, hidden treasures we have. So we don't know much about them, their culture, their heritage. So normally it is we can learn so much from all these things.
Yeah. 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 If you go to Pakistan, you go to Lahore. Lahore is good.
Yes, Lahore, Karachi. I would like to see Karachi in fact.
Oh, Karachi. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Karachi. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Because Lahore is the border, so yeah. But
Yes.
Karachi is also fine. Yeah.
Karachi it has got sea coast and it's one of the busiest cities I think in Pakistan.
Yes, it's busiest city. That's right. So I add the province and the district and the cities.
How many you added? Only one district you added, correct?
Two. The district. Yeah,
Okay,
district. I add one here. This
fine.
one here.
Now this is fine. You just save this. Save the file here.
Yeah.
Cities.xml you created. Now create one empty page. Create one empty web page.
Uh,
So
it's
this take ASPX page. No, ASPX
it.
page you take.
Okay.
It's a web page.
Web page
Yes.
ASP.
It's not. No, no, cancel. Just cancel this. Cancel.
Okay. Yeah.
Now here, no, not there. Click on the add. Go to this is the insert data. Is it solution? Okay. Go to insert data project. Where are you keeping the XML file? You try to put in the project. You're not keeping inside the project. Somewhere outside you kept it. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Just
Yeah.
okay. Fine. Now go to the project there. Click on the project. Insert data. Insert data. Right click. Then add here. Add new item.
Web form.
Web form you make. Put it as here. XML test. XML test.
TST test. Yeah.
Click on add. Now take on this in the div. Try to drag and drop XML data source first of all. Take XML data source.
This one.
No, XML data source. Under data it comes. Under data you can see. Under data tab you find it. Under data tab you find XML data source. You have see data tab. Now just go up a little bit. Go a little bit.
Yeah, here.
Then drag and drop XML. Last one. Okay. Now come to the design. Come to design. Select control. Choose data. Configure data source. Now data file. Click on the browse. Select the cities.xml file. Click on OK. So here we need to select the XPath expression. We need to select here XPath expression. So what we keep here is you can leave XPath expression as it is. Don't bother about the XPath expression here now. Just click on OK. Fine. Now here drag and drop on drop down list. Drag and drop down list here.
Okay. This one.
Drop down list you have see there. Drop down list. Now on the top of the drop down list.
Button drop down. This one, yes.
You drag and drop. Okay. Then here choose data source. So go with the XML data source one. Yes. Okay. This should be the name. Okay. Just click on the OK here. Click on the OK. Here open the with source you open this one. Using source you open. No. Here in the source, using source you open it. Let's find here at the bottom, design split source. Open the markup.
This one?
No, markup I am saying. Here in the bottom you have design split and source. Right now you are in the design. Go to source. Click on the source. That's what I say.
Sorry. Yeah.
This one is drop down list one here. So you should take actually, first of all, path there. You must be using a path there. What you write there? XPath you write. After run it equal to server, you have run it equal to server. After run it equal to server, come to this here. Data source ID you have before that. Yes. You give a space there. Now write XPath. XPath. Now capital X you put. XPath equal to first of all put there provinces. Put provinces.
Okay.
You take the provinces. No. Provinces / province. How is the XML file? As per XML file, you need to set it.
Okay.
No, the slashes are not required there. You don't require slashes there. Sorry, the tags are not required. You need to just put provinces. Okay. Then after provinces, put a / provinces / province you have to put in the double quotes. Slash you put, no, not there. Before double quotes itself. Put / Right there, province. Don't give any space. No space, no space. Just put province.
Okay.
Put province. No.
Sorry.
Province slash province. Province slash, you have to put province. There's a path.
Okay.
Like this. S you remove there. Fine, that is. Now source ID is that one. Next thing should be here. You have data text field. In the place of the data text field, you can write it as here. Okay, name you kept here, then data field also name. Now try to run this page.
Yeah.
Run this page here.
View in the browser.
Yes.
We'll save it first. Yeah. So
run this one in the browser. It's showing.
Yeah, there are two.
It's showing like these two things.
Yeah.
In the same manner, you should be doing with the cities. When you select Punjab, from Punjab you have to get it.
Okay.
But how you do? Based on that selection, you have to do it.
Yes, this one.
Do like that. Here, you need to be selecting based on that you must be selecting it. Just try to do with that. Try to play with that little bit. I'll explain you otherwise tomorrow morning how to do that.
Okay, no problem. Yes, I will try that.
So the hierarchy you are maintaining there, definitely it troubles little bit, but try to do that.
Okay, sure. Okay, thank you.
So tomorrow by morning time, as usual, tomorrow we are going to work with the data.
Okay, sure.
That is important. Then after that, tomorrow evening we are going to work with the jQuery part. Then, till 10 we continue like these sessions.
Okay.
I think you have till 10 time. You have time or not?
Yeah, I have a time. No problem.
Yes. So we'll be doing it till 10th. We start MVC after 2 days.
Okay. No problem. Thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate for that. It's a wonderful training. Thank you.